Well, hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Gonna do the Maiden on the E-Flite FW190. Oh boy. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right, and we got very little wind. It's coming out of the due east there. Already done my range test. All right, here we go. Up, down, right, left, Timer set for 4.5 minutes. Running a 5030C Smart Spectrum battery.
Gear up.
Right away, she need a lot of down trim.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Safe mode. Gear down. Landing flaps. AX3X mode. Flaps up.
Folks, I got problems. Oh boy, have I got problems. Got to move that battery because she's really flying tail heavy. Oh boy. Thought I had the CG right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, folks, thought I had that CG just right. Let me get her back. She was flying super tail heavy. Let's get her back and move that battery. I thought I had to have that battery at the very, I'm gonna put that battery all the way forward.
Motor off.
Okay, let me see something here. Give me just a second, folks. We gotta figure out what's going on here. The elevator. Put it back to 0. All right, take this off. We're gonna move that battery all the way forward because, yeah, I think it needs to be at the far end of that tray. So let's, I thought I had the CG right, but apparently not. So we're gonna move that battery a little further forward. See if that doesn't help any. Excuse me, folks, I'm sorry. I'm not normally this discombobulated, but when you're flying a $500 plane or a $600 plane and things aren't going well, it has a tendency to make you a little rattled. But I can tell already that when she's flying good. Okay, my CG is right here at this little mark here. So yeah, she should be a little slightly tail or nose heavy now. So let's run with that and try that again. Oh, man. But, okay. Right, left, up, down. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry, folks. Let me go back to my... Okay, my elevator should be right in the middle. Okay. Safe mode. AS3X mode. Okay. Okay.
Motor on.
Okay.
Motor
Hold on. Now my throttle cut. Okay, yeah, it's got to be negative 130. Okay, sorry, folks. Okay.
Motor on.
Get her turned around. Hey, she came down in one piece. Thought I had my CG right, but apparently I didn't. So let's try her again. I know she lands well. All right.
Gear up. Gear down.
She's still acting like she's nose heavy or tail heavy. So
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landed in flaps.
huh. Well, I don't know, folks.
Flaps up.
Try this again. Still got a minute and 39 seconds. Okay. Okay. Now, something's not right, because she still feels like
Motor off.
yeah, I got, well, folks, my little voice in my head saying, take her back, as I put that throttle at negative 130 and she's still rolling. So let's go to our throttle cut. Let me figure this out. Negative 130. I don't know.
Motor on. Motor off.
Huh. All right, folks. Well, I got the motor turned off and she's still moving. So there's some issues.
Motor on.
All right. We've got issues, so let's not take her up again. I need to do a little more research. Apparently, well, I don't have the drop tank on her. I don't think that should have anything to do with it. Got her down on one piece, so that's still a successful Maiden, but I got to figure out what's going on. Why? I mean, I've got that battery about as far forward as I can get, and it's a 5006S. So, and she still wants to fly like she's tail heavy. So,
Motor off.
all right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. I'll get an update once I figure it out. Thank you so much. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them planes. Bye-bye.